Dear student, good morning to all. Welcome to the video lecture series on Digital System Laboratory. Already we are discussing basic introduction about Digital System Laboratory in my first lecture. There we are discussing basic introduction and now we are discuss study of basic digital gates and how to verify the truth table of all the basic logic gates, and this experiment main aim to test of ICs by using verification of truth table of basic ICs. Here we establish the breadboard connection of ICs with truth table verification using LEDs. So this experiment main aim to verify the truth table of basic digital ICs of AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gates. So, if you want to do this experiment, you should need some apparatus required. That's first one is a digital IC trainer kit, one number. And then, as per required, we need connection wires. And then, what are the gates you go to verify? We need all that gates. First one is a AND gate. How we go to find the AND gate? AND gate IC number IC7408. So all the logic gates, all the digital logic gates start with 74 series. So first we go to verify AND gate. AND gate traditional symbol available here. This AND gate that's used to operate A and B. That AND gate is the physical realization of logic multiplication operation. It is an electronic circuit which generate an output signal of ones only if all the input signal are 1. So when we give both input are 1, for that time only output we will get 1 value. Otherwise all the combination of input we will get only for the 0 value. That is our AND gate. And then OR gate. So OR gate and OR gate is the physical realization of the logical addition operation. It is an electronic circuit which generates an output signal of 1 if any of the input signal is 1. So we will give both input are 0, for that time only you got it output 0. You will give any one value in our input, you should definitely get the output value is 1. That is our OR gate. OR gate symbol available here. And then NOT gate. The NOT gate is the physical realization of the complementation operation. It is an electronic circuit which generates an output signal which is the reverse of the input signal. A NOT gate is also known as an inverter because it inverts the input signal. And then NAND gate. The NAND gate is a complemented AND gate. The output of the NAND gate will be given 0 if all the input signal are 1 and will be 1 if any one of the input signal is 0. So that is our NAND gate. NAND gate is the complemented AND gate. And then NOR gate. A NOR gate is a complemented OR gate. The output of the OR gate will be 1 if all the input are 0 and will be 0 if any one of the input signal is 1. That is our NOR gate operator. NOR gate operation. Once I repeat that, NOR gate is a complemented OR gate. And then XOR gate. An XOR gate performs the following Boolean functions: A XOR B, that's equal to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. That is nothing but the A dot B bar, that is one product term, and A bar dot B, that is another one product term. We want to add these two product term. For that time you got it sum of two product term. That is our XOR operation. It is similar to OR gate but excludes the combination of both A and B begin equal to 1. The exclusive OR is a function that gives an output signal 0 when the two input signal are equal, are either 0 or 1. Let's we go to see what are the procedures to do this laboratory. First step, supply should not exceed 5 voltage. And then second step, connection are given as per the circuit diagram. And then third step, for all the ICs, 7th pin is grounded and 14th pin is given plus 5 voltage power supply. Because of in this IC, now we go to using only for the 74 series ICs. These all the series ICs operating voltage only just 5 voltage. Because of we are do the digital operation, we want to operate the digital operation. You require 5 voltage, it's enough to do that all the logical operation. So for that reason you should give the 5 voltage power supply and then apply the input and verify the truth table for all the gates. Then use LED with proper sign conversion and check it before connection in circuits. So we know that pin before we go to verify the logic gate, you should know about the pin diagram. Like example, let's we go to verify the AND gate. You know the pin diagram. There are 14 pin available. There 1, 2 is the input and 3 is the output and 4, 5 is the input pin, 6 is the output pin. Then 7 is a grounder. This 7 pin is available in our bottom of the IC. On top of the IC we have also 7 pin. There 14th is defaultly make it VCC connection. There we provide only plus 5 voltage. And then there 13, 12 is the input port and 11 is the output port. And 10, 9 is the input port, 8 is the output port. So here we are do that 2 input AND operation. So we have in our IC have the 14 pin. There 2 pin that's used to make a power supply. Remaining 12 pin available. We want to execute the AND operation. We require the 2 input point and 1 output point. So totally 3 pin it's used to do that AND operation. We have 12 pins available in our IC. So within a single IC, 4 AND gate fabricated within a single IC. So how we go to develop the circuit diagram? We give the A input is first pin and B input is the second pin and give the 7th pin is a ground potential value and then give the 14th pin, you should give power supply plus 5 voltage and then you take the output from the third pin. Okay, we go to connect the third pin into the LED. That LED it's glow. Based on that LED glow, we verify the logic levels. Like example, now we give the value A equal to 0, B equal to 0. For that time, we do that AND operation Y equal to A dot B or A and B. That A equal to 0, B equal to 0. For that time, you got it 0. And then second combination input is A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. For that time you got it Y output A dot B equal to also 0 and A equal to 1 B equal to 0. For that time you got it output A and B or A dot B it's equal to 0 and then final combination of input A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. For that time you got it output 1. So if both input value are high, for that time only you got it output high state. Then next how you go to verify the OR gate. So OR gate A plus B, that's our OR gate operation. Already I told for you A plus B addition operation. OR gate is nothing but the look like that addition operation. So OR gate IC number 7432. Okay, so OR gate also IC 7432 also have the 14 pins. There 2 pin it's used to provide the power supply, 7 is used to provide the ground and 14th pin that's used to provide the VCC. VCC it means for 5 voltage. Then here also similar to AND gate pin diagram, 1 and 2 is the input, 3 is the output, 4 and 5 is the input pin, 6 is the output pin. Then 13 and 12 is the input pin and 11 is the output pin. 10, 9 is the input pin, 8 is the output pin. So how you go to develop the circuit diagram? We give the A input in IC first pin, and we give another one input B, that's used that B is connected to the second pin. Then seventh pin is a ground potential, 14th pin is a VCC supply. Then we take the output from the third pin. Then that third pin connected to the LED. Based on that LED glow, you go to verify the truth table. Okay, now we go to apply the A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. For that time only we got it output equal to 0. Because of our operation is nothing but the simple addition operation. When we give any one value, any one input value is 1, for that time you get the high state value in our output area. So A equal to 1, B equal to 1, for that time also you got it 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, for that time you got it output 1, and A equal to 0, B equal to 1, for that time you got it output 1. Both are 0, for that time only you get the 0 value. And then NOT gate. So NOT gate, that's a complemented operation or inverting operation. There we have only one input and we have only one output, A, that's equal to A bar. So this IC number 7404. So 7404, that IC is used to do that inverting operation. So that IC also have the 14 pin, 2 pin that's used to provide the power supply, 7th and 14th pin. 7th is a ground terminal and 14th is a VCC terminal. So here also we are applying plus 5 voltage. Then here 1 is the input, 2 is the output, because here we are using only one input and one output. So totally 14 pin available, 2 pin it's used to provide the power supply in our IC, remaining 12 pins available. Each and every gate it's occupied the 2 pins. So totally 6 gates fabricated within a single IC. That IC number is 7404. So there's NOT gate truth table. Input we give the 0 and output you will get the 1 value, and input you will give 1, output you will get the 0 value. That is your NOT gate operation. And then NAND gate. The NAND gate is also called as a universal gate, because of from the NAND gate you go to design any type of logic similar to NOR gate. That is also one of the universal gate, because of from that NOR gate we go to develop any type of logical operation. The NAND gate IC number 7400. So IC 7400, that is a NAND gate. That IC also have the 14 pins. There 2 pin it's used to provide the power supply, like a 7 and 14th pin. 7 is a ground terminal, 14th is a VCC terminal. Remaining 12 pins available. There here we are applying the 1 and 2 is a input pin, and 3 is a output pin, and 4, 5 is a input pin, 6 is a output pin, and 13, 12 is a input pin, 11 is a output pin, and 10, 9 is a input pin, 8 is a output pin. So totally 4 NAND gate constructed within a single IC 7400. So how you go to implement the circuit? Similarly, how you go to develop the 2 input AND gate? Similar same concept apply. Here we go to develop the circuit. So there A and B, we apply the A input in first pin and B input in second pin, and 14th terminal we connected to the plus 5 voltage VCC, and 7th pin we go to connect ground terminal, and from the third pin you get it output. The third pin connected to the LED. That LED it's give the response of NAND gate. So NAND gate, when we give the both are as a 1 value, both are input value is 1, for that time only you got it output 0. Otherwise all the output value is 1. Then NOR gate. So already I told for you, NOR gate is implemented OR gate. So here also we are using addition operation. Finally we do that addition, then we go to do that inverting operation. But in this IC number 7402, but here pin diagram fabrication somewhat different compared to all other gates. Here also have the 14 pin. 7th pin is used to do that ground terminal, and 14th pin that's used to give the power supply in our corresponding IC. Remaining 12 pins available, but here 2, 3 is the input pin. That's very important one. The structure only differ compared to the all the pin diagrams, all the IC's pin diagram. Here 2, 3 is the input pin, 1 is the output, and then 5, 6 is the input pin, and 4 is the output pin. Then 8, 9 is the input pin, 10 is the output pin. Then level 12 is the input pin, 13th is the output pin. So here also have the 14 pin. The 2 pin is used to provide the power supply. Remaining 12 pins that is used to construct the NOR gate operation. So totally 4 NOR gate fabricated within single IC. So in this NOR gate truth table, when we apply both the input value is 0, for that time only got it output value is high state. Then finally we are discussing XOR operation. XOR operation, that XOR operation, when we give the alternative input value, for that time only you got it output value is high. Remaining all the time when we give the same input value, for that time output value is 0. That is our XOR operation. That XOR gate IC number IC7486. So this IC also have the 14 pin. There 7 and 14, the 2 pin is used to provide the power supply. Remaining 12 pins is available. 1, 2 is the input pin, 3 is the output pin, and 4, 5 is the input pin, 6 is the output pin, then 10, 9 is the input pin, then 8 is the output pin, then 13, 12 is the input pin, 11 is the output pin. So this XOR gate operation, both input are 0 or both input are 1, we get the output 0 value. Then input, alternative input, when we give the alternative input, like example A equal to 0, B equal to 1, or A equal to 1, B equal to 0. For that time only got it output high state or 1 or true state. So this is our all the logic gates. So final, the truth table of all the basic digital ICs were verified with using this truth table.